My friend Sue's brother has a farm, and he has an abundance of raspberries, and we were lucky enough to get some. So I'm gonna make raspberry jam. There's 1,000 grams of raspberries in this bowl. And then I have this special sugar that I get from the German store. Can't remember the name of it, the store, but I'll put a link in. But again, it's 1,000 grams of raspberries to one of these packages, and it's low sugar and high pectin, so that the jam is nicely sweet but not too sweet. It's awesome. So basically all you do, we're going to turn the stove on like medium, and then just to the bowl, the pan, we're going to add the sugar, if I can open it, and then just pour it right in there. And then once it starts to, we'll stir it around, and then it'll boil and break down and start to look like jam. So this is what it looks like at this point once the sugar starts to melt. So we're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes until the sugar breaks down and the berries break down. So this is how it's gonna look. It looks a little frothy and the berries have broken down, the sugar has dissolved. So now we're gonna take our immersion blender. I turned the stove off. It's been probably 15-20 minutes. So I'm just gonna immersion blend it to kind of break up the bigger berries that haven't broken down with the cooking process. Oh, it smells good. So this is your finished product. It does have some chunks of raspberry in there, which is kind of good. It tastes good to have, big chunks there. So now you can just put it into your jars and refrigerate it, and it should solidify and become jam. So I use just old jam jars or different jars that I get from people. And then once this is all put in the jars, you do need to let it cool to room temperature. Oh, perfect. So we're gonna do just a little taste test. Perfect.